Hey, welcome back to another episode of Teaching, Learning, Tutorials and Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the 4 different types of gradients in Illustrator. So let's get started. So I'm going to click onto the rectangle tool, click and drag. So orange there, but if I go to the gradient here, and you can also find it on window and then go to G. It's in alphabetical order, so click onto gradient, it'll open up, and if I click onto the gradient here, it will change to linear. And the way to change the color is double click. You can have blue, you can have this as white, and you can have this as red, and that's linear. If you hover over here, it's linear gradient. Okay, next one. Let's do Command C, Command V. Let's do a radial gradient now. So we just go to the next one, radial gradient, click, and that's our radial gradient there. Next one, Command C, Command V. Hover and you will see it says Freeform gradient. As soon as I click here, I get these 4 circles here. So if I click on one of them, go to swatches, then I go to red, it'll change to red, then go to this corner here, and let's go for a orange, that's better. Next one, yellow, and the next one can be a green. Okay, last but not least, we have this Command C, Command V. We want to do a gradient on a stroke, and this is how you do it. Once you have your gradient selected, you simply switch it to the stroke here. Okay, so now it's indicating that this is a gradient on a stroke. So because it's 1 point, we can't see it. So let's click and go to 6 points. Now you can see it. So now we have a linear gradient, we have a radial gradient, we have a freeform gradient, and then we have a gradient on a stroke. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have found value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Anyway, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.